My name is Tarun Bhaskaran Nair. I am skilled in hospital administration. I am performing this video to avail the World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. Today I want to talk to you about the vital roles of hospital administration in delivering quality healthcare services. As a future of hospital administrators, it is essential that we understand the integrity of managing a healthcare organization. As a future administrator, we must balance clinical, operational, and financial responsibility. Our studies have equipped us with the knowledge and skills to excel in this challenging field. Hospital administration is the backbone of any healthcare organization. It involves planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the various activities that takes place within an hospital. The effective hospital administration ensures that patients receive quality care, that staff are promoted and productive, and that the organization remains financially sustainable. One of the critical aspects of an hospital administration is managing clinical and supportive services. This includes emergency, surgical, medical, and diagnostic services, as well as laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, and dietary services. Hospital administration must ensure that their services are delivered efficiently and effectively by maintaining the high standards of quality and patient safety. Another crucial aspect of an hospital administration is financial management. This includes budgeting, accounting, and financial reporting. The hospital administrator must ensure that the organization remains financially sustainable while complying with the regulatory requirements. They must also manage hospital accounts, including patient accounts, general ledger accounts, and payroll accounts. In addition to clinical and financial management, the hospital administrator are also responsible for human resource management and housekeeping. This includes recruiting, selecting, and training the staffs, as well as maintaining a clean and safe hospital environment. Effective human resource management and housekeeping are critical to the ensuring patient satisfaction and quality care. Finally, hospital administrator must also manage public relations and maintain a positive hospital image. This includes communication, marketing, and community outreach. By building strong relationships with the patient, staff, and the wider community, hospital administrator can promote the hospital's brand and value. As a future hospital administrator, we have learned the importance of integrating quality care and operations today. I will highlight key takeaway from our studies in hospital administration, clinical and supportive services, hospital housekeeping, human resource management, and hospital accounts. Hospital administration. Effective hospital administration involves strategic plan and policy making, organization structure and governance, quality assurance and accreditation, patient-centered care and satisfaction, compliance with the laws and regulations. Clinical and supportive services. Clinical and supportive services are crucial for patient care, outpatient and inpatient services, emergency department management, diagnostic and therapeutical services, pharmacy and laboratory services, interdisciplinary team and communication. Hospital housekeeping. Hospital housekeeping ensure a safe and clean environment, infection control and prevention, waste management and disposal, laundry and linen services, pest control and maintenance, patient satisfaction and comfort. Human resource management. Human resource management is vital for hospital success, recruitment, selection and training, staff development and retention, performance management and evaluation, employee relations and conflict resolution, diversity, equity and inclusion. Hospital accounts require effective financial management, budgeting and financial planning, accounting and financial reporting, cost control and revenue cycle management, insure and reimbursement, financial analysis and decision making. Integrating these components ensure a run hospital, quality patient care, operational efficiency, financial sustainability, compliance with regulation, continuous improvement. Here are current healthcare trends and challenges. Healthcare trends: personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual genetic profile. Digital health, telemedicine, AI-powered diagnostics, and mobile health apps. Value-based care, focus on patient outcomes and cost efficiency. Population health management, analyzing data to improve community health. Healthcare consumerism, patient takes charge of their care. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, enhancing diagnostic and streamlining operations. Interoperability, sharing patient data across healthcare system. Virtual and augmented reality, enhancing patient experience and training. Precision health, targeted intervention for specific patient population. Global health security, preparing for pandemic and outbreaks. Healthcare challenges. First, access and affordability, ensuring healthcare for underserved population. Second, staff shortage, addressing nursing and physical shortage. Cyber security, protecting patient data from cyber threats. Mental health, addressing growing mental health concern. Chronic disease management, coordinating